Raw materials begin their journey under controlled and regulated conditions. Every hide is handled with precision to preserve its natural structure. Cleaning begins immediately to prevent deterioration of the skin. Each hide is sorted to match its future purpose in manufacturing. Preservation continues as hides begin their journey to the tannery. Controlled transport protects the hide from damage before processing begins. The tannery stands ready, built for precision and scale. The hides move seamlessly from transport into the production flow. Digital tracking begins the moment materials enter the factory. This is where raw material meets industrial transformation. Every movement inside follows strict operational discipline.
The journey continues inside a carefully controlled environment.
Quality control begins before processing even starts. The hides advance toward their first major transformation step. The first cleaning stage removes surface impurities. Water and motion work together to protect the hide's integrity. Human expertise complements automated cleaning. Sorting ensures each hide follows the correct processing path. Preparation is complete as transformation begins. Core processing begins inside controlled industrial systems. Carefully balanced solutions prepare the hide for durability. Time, motion, and chemistry work in precise coordination.
Continuous monitoring ensures uniform transformation.
The hide emerges changed, ready for shaping and strength. Precision machinery refines the hide's structure. Thickness control defines the leather's final performance. Chemical balance restores flexibility and strength. Moisture control prepares the leather for drying. The transformation advances toward stability and form. Automation ensures uniform drying across every hide. Controlled environments protect texture and flexibility. Data-driven systems replace guesswork with precision. Automation increases efficiency without sacrificing care. Technology keeps the process moving at perfect pace. Precision cutting defines the leather's final dimensions. Texture refinement enhances both look and feel. Finishing layers add durability and resilience. Heat locks in the leather's final properties. Only refined surfaces move forward. Final evaluation begins in a controlled setting. Surface quality is judged with trained human eyes. Performance is measured, not assumed. Safety and standards guide every approval. Only verified leather moves to the final stage.
Finished leather is prepared for safe global transport.
Storage ensures availability without compromising quality. Logistics connect the factory to the world beyond.
And this is how modern factories produce cow leather from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.